So when you have to do your own makeup, what is your favorite thing to do? What favorite part of makeup? And what's your least favorite?
My favorite part is my lips, because that means I'm done. My least favorite is my eyebrows, because it is always a struggle, back and forth. This one, that one, this one look good, and I try to match it with this one, and then this one, you know, look off, and then having to wipe it off and start over is just a mess. So yeah, that's it for me.
Mine would be, my favorite thing would be lips, because they're like big and juicy and they're like really all snackable. And my least favorite is foundation. It don't work out for me. Like, I don't like blending foundation. So I don't like the whole coverage thing. So I try to skip that part. Just the concealer.
Okay.
I don't, as you can see by their lovely faces, I don't like doing I don't like doing eyeshadow. I think it's fabulous on other people, but I do not have the patience for it. Everything else, like, no shade, but everything else I'm perfectly fine with. Like, I feel like if my eyebrows is arched, I don't have to fill it in, but if I gotta fill it in, it's no problem. Like foundation, I don't have a problem with concealer foundation because I have pretty
Nice skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't have to do too much for that. And if you throw on a lash, you good. You don't need to have to put on lip. Like, I feel like my face right now, this is my go-to face because you don't have to do too much. Like, you know, I don't have to do too much blending, too much contouring. I don't have to do all of that extra stuff personally because I think a natural face is like when people really like, oh my gosh, you look amazing. Is your skin so perfect? And like, whole time I got all of this stuff on, you can't even tell. Like, that's my favorite thing about it. Like,
exactly
my favorite thing about makeup is pretending like you don't even have makeup.
That's exactly why I don't like the foundation.
What are your must-have items that you carry on you at all times? Keisha.
Oh, quick lash.
I feel like you cannot go wrong with mascara because your eyes, I feel like your eyes is like the gateway to your soul. So like say you at work or you out and somebody like, oh, I need you to come and do something, or I need you to come and meet somebody, whatever. Like, if you just throw mascara and a pump, you in there. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, everything else is like, you know, I don't think you really need too much. So me personally, I would always have mascara.
Okay, so my lips is too big to be crunchy and stuff. So I gotta have some lip gloss, some lip liner, just this lip gloss.
3 things in my purse at all times: lip gloss, eyeliner, mascara.
I'm telling you, them eyes. You gotta have them eyes. Wake up the people.
I mean, I like to walk out the house with a lash, but it don't be in my purse.
It'll take you from homeless to like.
It really do. I think mascara take you from homeless to fabulous. And
Yes.
like literally.
I need lashes all the time.